Meaning of grocery store.
Grocery store.
Grocery store.
Grocery store.
Grocery store. A grocery store is a retail shop that primarily sells food items, household supplies, and other daily necessities. It provides a one-stop shopping destination for customers to purchase various groceries, including fresh produce, meats, dairy products, bread, and canned goods. In addition to food items, some grocery stores also sell health and beauty products, cleaning supplies, and pet supplies. Many grocery stores offer delivery services, loyalty programs, and online shopping options to cater to customers' needs. Grocery stores play a crucial role in providing essential goods and daily necessities to communities.